Hey, how's it going? Chris here. Hope you're doing well. You know, on my channel, I don't talk politics, current events, religion, any of those hot button topics. It's just not my cup of tea. Save that for other YouTube channels. Been working on Bob Barker here. It's a Fat 50 ammo can. These are very hard to find. But after a little research, found out that these guys are used on U.S. Navy and I think Coast Guard ships with their Bushmaster machine guns. It's ammo can for them. But I bought two of these cans. They're about 55 bucks each. And the one down here, you can see the lid. It's got a lot of corrosion, rust, actual exfoliation stuff going on there. So I got with the manufacturer or the distributor, and WTF guys, you can send me another one. That's pretty much crap, worthless. You can see the lid here on the other one, rust free, good gasket. And one thing I have used, and I'm using it on this one, is shoe glue. This is stupid hard rubber cement, and I find this stuff is just excellent for sealing. Sets up hard. But there's some gaps right here and right here that I filled, and also the hardware for the handle too. I've got another handle right over here, and what I did is order another couple more of those chrome stainless handles, and I bolt cutted off the stock handles here, so I'm going to put some chrome ones on the side there. It's going to look really good, heavy duty, full blown melee. The other thing too I want to talk about, I got these two items here from Home Depot, and I do a lot of steel cutting with these ammo cans. Yes, it's thin steel, but this drill set I got kind of on a whim. I've been normally using DeWalt or Bosch, titanium, but this Milwaukee, if you need new drills, I highly recommend you throw this in your cart. Milwaukee Shock Wave Impact Duty Titanium. I have never had one break. Staying sharp a long time. None of these are dull. These are all freaking stupid. You can just feel the tip of a drill bit and it's still razor sharp on the tip. Still all good. The other thing I wanted to show you real quick is this Danco rubber gasket. You can get this in the plumbing aisle at Home Depot where all the little parts are that you hard to find stuff. I picked up a couple of these 6x6 rubber gasket material, and it makes great gaskets. I don't know how to describe it. I cut this up for the use behind this little step-up booster here, and also when I'm working on stuff, I use this stuff. But let me show you inside the ammo can here what I use this for. It's very difficult to see. So I had a couple of boo-boo cuts here, so I had to fill these guys up with that shoe glue and some stuff on the other side. But let me show you the rubber gasket material. Well, let me just put it up here so you can see it. All right, for the low-pass filters, see there's a rubber gasket right there. Put that behind there and check the continuity, make sure it's open, and it is. And for the dual bus right there, and then for the step-up booster right here, I got standoffs right there to promote a little bit of air cooling behind the heat sinks there. Those are the RCA jacks. I haven't silicone or shoe glued them yet, but they're good to go. And I shoe glued the DC input and output jack right there. You can see that. One thing I did do with this build, I wasn't going to do it, but I had extra space, is this morning at 5 o'clock in the morning I get up, is I put a 12-volt power socket on this guy right here, just like my regular Jerry's over there. See down the bottom corner there. And I have a red switch on order. This is a single position, single throw type deal, lighted. And I love these switches because they have the terminal plugs ready to rock and roll, so you don't have to cut anything. And whenever I'm cutting and drilling holes, like here, I use a Neo magnet to pick up all the metal shavings that come off there. And there's usually a little burr on the inside after you're drilling. So what I do is, I'll show you, is I take this guy right here. This is one of the best DeWalt tools I have. I use this all the freaking time. I use all my DeWalt tools all the time. Put a little head on there. Let's see, turn it on. This thing just scrapes the burrs off in there. So let's get in there and, you know, like this. And I have a different bit, a rounded bit on there to get in there, but this is just kind of for knocking off the burrs a little bit. So, all right, there you have it. Update from my garage. Y'all take care, stay healthy, stay busy, do stuff that makes you happy. You know, it's the way like I said, I don't talk politics, religion, current events on my YouTube channel, but, and I hate to say this, but it seems like the masses are asses when it comes down to it. You talk to people one-on-one, they usually are relatively intelligent, but you probably know where I'm going with this one, but I'm not going to go that way. So, all right, guys, take care. Be well. Later.